Good morning, guys. Hey, I'm gotten short at 1269.1. Looking for a little rotation down this morning. We've had a big support at 1269, 1268, 9 area. Some big buyers stepped in this morning as soon as it got up there and provided support. Um, haven't been able to break it just yet. Made couple attempts, so that's where we're at. I do have a 2.3 point stop right now. That yellow line up here is 100% retracement of this larger move. Um, so we do have an opportunity to actually get up here now. I didn't see that until later. All my other stuff is telling me that it's pushing down. There we go. Finally, everything was telling me it's going to push down, but it just hasn't done it. I mean, I don't know who or why the 1269 area has been so important, but everything that I've been looking at this morning on my other monitors are telling me that we should, it's an 80% probability that we at least get down to this area here. So we will see, but there's someone or something here at the 1260 at the blue line 1269 ish area that keeps supporting this. So until this person or computer steps away completely, we could have this rotation up into this area, just shake out some people before they do that rotation down. But we will see. I will pause the video and come back to you. Alright, guys, looks like they're trying to make another dash for it. There we go. He finally steps away. Man, it's taking forever. I mean, unbelievable. Now, get a little rotation back up to the area. It'd be nice to take this out first. Get me half out of this. I'm going to take half off the half risk off, but if we get a rotation back up into this area, can't get back through, now we'll really get that pushed down, and then I might even look for lower targets today. Not expecting a whole lot. That's like I said, it is the Fed day. Announcement's not till 1 o'clock, but you surely want to be gone and out before that happens. But I guess from probably 8:40 this morning, everything that I look at was saying down, 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 but man, it just kept holding in there, which kind of worried me a little bit. This first little drop, get people a little bit short, bring it back up, stop them out, bring it back down. So I think we've got 80% probability it's going to be there now. So as soon as I get this first target hit, I'll move my stop down to a couple ticks above, and try to start piecing this thing out, try to get done and call it a day. So I'll pause the video. Alright, guys, we did get that rotation back into the 69ish area. We are getting the push back down, the rejection from that area. Now we just need to break these lows, get that final push down. Yeah, I thought they would have gotten it on that push. The down pressure is building. I mean, it's been building all morning. I just don't see what's taken. There you go. We've gotten half of it out. Let's see. I've got these other markers, and I'm gonna leave. There we go. Let's see if they play the tick game or not. Let's see. Alright, well, that's what I was looking for. Let me find where that other price came down to 61. 100%'s down there as well. See if this thing slows down right here. Still seeing pressure down. I mean, we could get a little bit of a retracement back up, but I don't. It's come down to the 61 area, just like it should have. See if we can get these pieces off. We could get a rotation back up. I'm still, everything I'm seeing still says down, 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 down. We are starting to get some separation. Bear flag, little bear flag. So we'll see. I'll put it on pause and wait until we start getting closer to targets. All right, guys, we're trying to hold the opening range here. This is the 8:30 open here, so we'll starting to slow down a little bit. So I debating to go ahead and take half of what I've got, trying to give it just a little bit longer, see where this candle closes. Let's see if we get the first selling down or if it wants to pop up here. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video. Alright, guys. You know, if it can't get down through here, you know, I'm gonna have to take a little bit off. I'm not gonna let it go ahead and run all the way against me. Give some of this back and see if it'll give me sevens. Oh, alright, let's give me 68. Okay. Alright, now I'm just going to move my stop right under, one tick underneath. These yellow lines would be my next target, so I'm going to give it a little bit of room and see what happens here. I'll pause the video. Alright, guys, I'm back. You see I've split this up a little bit. We are starting to find a little bit of support. Some of the other things I'm watching, looking, we could start finding a little bit of footing here. So I want to give a whole bunch back. If it takes us. Just there's one, two, three other things I'm looking at. They're running right into what could possibly be support. Now, what I'm seeing on the other things that it should have enough force to push them, but I do have to respect that to the point, because this thing can turn on you. So that was another 1.8 points, you know, $360. Go again. Need to push to this area. You know, quick little jerk down would be nice. Alright, I'll pause the video. You know, I'm gonna give it a few more minutes. It is 9:20 in the morning. give this thing a little bit more time to see if some of these higher time frames are actually gonna bust through the support instead of using it as support. So I'll pause the video. Alright guys, came down to the first target. I went ahead and split these out. I'm gonna go ahead and take go ahead and move these in. I don't want to give back anything. Have a profitable morning. I had had a mindset of not doing anything this morning, but I really don't like Fed Day, so I'll pause the video and I'll give you an update shortly. Alright guys, I'm gonna take it. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and start piecing out of this thing. It's getting about 9:30. It did hit the target, and there's no reason for this thing, you know, not to be able to rotate up a little bit. This is how doing so far this morning. I'm up $1,772 so far. Of course, I got another $150 here. That's working. I had a 1 point gift earlier this morning before the market opened. Trying a new program and I didn't have it set up right, but I shorted here. Of course, we had a little bit of rotation down, but we had a quick bar up and I got stopped out right here. Went short again and just, you know, took a few ticks. I thought I was missing something, especially since it was coming into the open. Around 8:35ish, I shorted in this area. So that's where we're at. So and I'm starting to cover down into here. So nothing too bad this morning. I did give I have made up that gift into the market. So I will be in the green for the day. Not a bad day's morning. We've got a little bit of weather going on here. So, and to be honest with you, this thing could let's see. You know, it could rotate back up to the 50, but I wouldn't. I'm not gonna let it go any farther than that. I'm gonna take those few ticks, and if that's what they want to take back, they'll take back. But we do have an opportunity to get up here and rotate down as well. So we'll see if it sets up. But I'll pause the video and see you soon. All right. Well, it's still trying to hold. I think we do have one more push down. We might come back just to the next target. As soon as it gets down there, I'll press record and we'll figure out what we're at. All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and close the position. I'm done for the morning. As soon as see if we can get this hit real quick. So, alright, for the day, 1940. I had to make up for that gift, so I got my 3 points. Just one of them was a gift. So, 1940 for the day, and I will see y'all tomorrow.